So another of my very close friend, Madhya, asked me how to do smoky eyes, so I'm going to show them in here. I'm going to use my Recklin Hill Morphe palette, Morphe, whichever way you say it, and I'm going to use these brown shades here. Now, what a smoky eyes is? Smoky eyes are like a shadow that you're using all around your eyes. It should not go past your crease, and it does not have to be a black eyeshadow, just like a panda eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some really dark brown eyeshadow and I'm going to place it just where I would do my eyeliner, but a bit thicker line. And I'm slowly going to build it up. Like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It's always a good idea to start a little bit smoky and then go more if you want, rather than going too much and then trying to get rid of it. So I'm only using really dark browns. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any of these transition colors and I'm going to blend these harsh lines into them. So the idea is to make sure that you can't see any harsh line. That's what we want. Now I'm quickly going to apply the eyeliner and then now with the help of any flat brush like this, I'm going to take a darker color and blend my eyeliner again so that there are no harsh lines. Like this. Like that. Now I'm going to line my top waterline. It's really important to line this line when you're doing a smoky eye, because when you're going to do the mascara, it's going to lift your lashes and this line is going to look like the color of your flash, and all of this is going to be black, so it's going to give a very awful look. So what you need to do is take any of the kajal or eyeliner pencil, lift your eye like this and then do like that. It's a bit tricky part, but I'm sure all of us can do that. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush like this. I'm going to dip it again in the same brown color that I used earlier on my top lid, and I'm going to apply it just here along my bottom lash line. It's really important to shake off your brush every time you dip your brush in the eyeshadow to stop the fallouts of the eyeshadows. Otherwise you're going to end up having the fallouts here if you have done the foundation before. Like today I did the foundation before my eyeshadow, so I'm going to be very careful with it. Dip the transition shade again and then blend a bit like this. Color with it. Now I'm going to take a very light shade, it could be gold, it could be any highlighter shade, and I'm going to pop it in the inner corners of my eye. This step is really important when you wear a smoky eye, because the color with it. So this highlighted inner corner is going to make them pop a bit. So I've just now finished putting my lashes on. This is the smoky eye look that I've come up with. I hope you like it. This was especially for my friend Madhya. I hope you like it, Madhya, and when you try it, don't forget to send me a picture. Bye now.